Hey everybody, Mike White, Sharpen Right Services down in League City, Texas, and we're having a very slow week. Did a few knives this morning, but got nothing on the sharpening shop. Guess I need to do a little hustle out there and find some work. Anyway, playing with my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera, and got the tracking on, so let's see how it works in the shop and how it looks on YouTube. So we're going to walk this way, see how far this thing goes. It's not very fast, is it? Probably pretty much out of frame. So here's the shop. You guys have seen the shop before. Anyway, so I need to do some cleaning around here. The dog is freaking out. What? Come over here. Come over here. Hey, jump up here. Up here. Say hi to the camera. I know, baby. I know. I know. Anyway, thought I'd say hi, turn the camera on. We're going to see how this looks on YouTube. I want you guys to comment on it, see how this camera looks. This is my buddy. It's one of them. Uh-oh, here comes the other one. Uh-oh, ran back in the house. Anyway, so I'll tell you what I'm going to do is I turned it off. Instead of flipping it around. All right, we're going to turn the camera. There we go. I'm going to look around the shop here. Man, I need to clean up my machines really bad. So here's the clipper blade station. I've got shears everywhere, practice shears. I got a student coming next week to train with me for a day and a half. I need to clean the whole shop up. Is what I need to do. So I'm testing this camera out. See how it works. You can see how I got everything set up. I got too much junk, guys. Guys, I don't know if y'all seen the other side of my shop. I got so much junk. I don't know what to do. Anyway, I'm going to post this on YouTube. See how it looks. You guys can comment on my shop. You know what I ought to do is I ought to tell everybody what I have here. So this is my clipper blade sharpening set up here in the corner. I don't really have a really good spot for it, and so that's where it's at. This is my hair shear station, and I have two flat hones, so I have a travel case. Those are my travel cases underneath there, and there's another flat hone in that one that I take. I don't leave it in the truck. I'm afraid somebody's gonna take it from the truck. So this is how I have it set up when I'm sharpening shears. I got my light and everything. And you guys, here's my camera set up when you guys are watching the YouTube videos when I'm working above the shear station. That's what I have the iPhone set into. Now I'm getting ready. I think I'm gonna switch to a webcam. I don't know if I'm gonna use this particular camera. So here's the knife sharpening setup. There's my setup to hold the camera there. And you guys always talk about all the different lights that I have and everything. You can see all the different lights I have. I have lights everywhere. So there's my dust collection tubes. Run all the way down. It does a fair job. Other tripods that I use, like when I'm using the twice as sharp right here. This is kind of my catch-all bench area. I don't have these, none of these machines are mounted to the surface because I move them around and everything. There's the buck tool, grinder for the serrated knives. Can't go anywhere without my Harbor Freight 1x30. And then there's my My buck tool machine is down there, and then my work sharp is over there. And so this is just a little setup, and this is my little cleaning station right here in the middle. We got the little pedestal. Hey, leave that alone. What are you doing, crazy dog? Anyway, that's my setup, guys, and I'm just wasting time here recording this video. So we'll come on out a little bit. That's the shop. Pretty much the shop on that side of the garage. Oh, I'll show you one other thing that I do have. This is my cleaning cart. So this is my little area. I've got a parts washer in here. And then I've got the ultrasonic cleaner right there. And to tell you what we're going to do is we're going to do this. I'm going to see how this thing is going to work. I'm going to switch that around. Maybe. There we go. Alright, so the face track is back on. See how this looks way over here? See how I walk around the shop. It should track. The dog is sniffing the camera. Alright guys, anyway, you'll let me know how this camera looks in the shop. Have a good one. Take care.